Yeah, today I'm gonna buy the 21.5 inches, but this is good for me, and 27 inches is too big for me, so it depends, Alright, so let me go here now. So I'm looking for computer that'll be the 4K display, so which is those two, and the price is here. So those three, you see difference: 8 GB memory and 256 GB storage, and this one 256 and 8 GB also, 3.6 gigahertz, 3.0 gigahertz. Okay, so this one's it's generation 6 core. This is 6 core. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. You see, but the 8 GB is not enough for me actually. So this is the RAM. But it depends, if you want to works with like video editing, like Adobe and Adobe Audition and Final Cut and Logic Pro, something like that, So you might need 32 RAMs minimum. So 8 GB is nothing, so it's not working for you. So it depends, But compared with those two, this is the best one. So I'm gonna look this one, what's going on. Okay, alright, 8 GB is free, this comes with it. Okay, why I don't take this one, then pay $600 so I can get the 32 GBs. Okay, let's do that. 32 GBs RAM and extra $600. You see now is $1,500. Alright, do this one. Here you go. Alright. Okay, and the storage, you see 256 GB SSD storage comes with it, and or you can take 1 TB Fusion Drive storage. So one of those comes with it. So actually this is much bigger than this one, but this is way faster than that one because this is the SSD storage, and this is very slow. So that case you must need a SSD storage. Okay, for me, I mean. So that means I'm going to check this one, 512 GB SSD. Yeah, I'm going to take this one, but I need this one, but this is really expensive. I mean, this is good, but it's expensive. I'm going to take that one. Okay. Now I have 32 GB of RAM and 512 GB storage. Alright, awesome. Let's do that. Total is gonna be 2,300 plus tax, 8.75%. That comes with $2,500. Alright, let's do that. So today I just got the delivery, my iMac. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So this is 21.5 inches. So this is the perfect size for me. So let me open the computer now. Wow, very nice. Wow, look at here. Oh my God. Beautiful, you see? Wow. Alright. So this is a keyboards and the mouse. So this is the mouse right here. So I don't want to open this one because I already have the keyboards and the mouse from my other computers. So that's why I don't want to open it. So this is the mouse right here. So I just want to keep like this. What is here? Let me see. Yeah, there's some the instructions and this kind of stuff. So I just want to leave it like that. Yeah, so this comes with a charger, and this is the mouse. It's beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. Okay. Look at this, you know, the way how they pack is very, very nice. Amazing. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Alright. So this is the adapter, the charger. And alright. There you go. Wow, beautiful. I feel it, you see. My God, this is very, very high quality. I love it. Okay. Wow. So this is the back of the computer. So this is for the headphone jack, and the SD card goes here, and the USB goes here, you see. And this one for the internet, and the power goes from here to right here. And this is the power button to start. There you go. So I can use my other keyboards right here. So I can use this one. So this is actually, it's very, very good condition too, you know. So keyboard that comes with the computer is exactly same as this one. So where how it connect the Bluetooth and the power, everything same thing. So this is the power. So you see, this is the exactly mouse that comes with the computers also. So I can use this one instead, since I already have it. So you can charge from here, and this is the power. So you don't need to put the battery. So battery is already inside. So you can charge this one like how you charge your phone, you know. Turn on. All right. You see, so this one connect right away, right here, you see. Okay. Alright, so now I need to put my name and account number. Okay, so this is what I like the dark color. There you go. Wow, amazing, look. Oh my goodness, I love it. So this is the computer I have now, you see. Right now, I have a 4K display and 32 GB of RAM and 512 GB. Right, you see, this is the one. So this is my external drive.